This time I want to discuss on how to do a forward live progression and move into our future timeline, because just doing past life regression will not help us move forward towards a future life. And how do we unlock our gifts and life purpose from our past life regression? What we have understood is to regress the past and do a past life healing of our chakra system and the astral energy body and the electromagnetic field stored in our physical body. Once we heal from our past life by doing a past life regression or dream analysis or dream interpretation, we can follow the symbols that is shown to us by our spirit guides and animal guides, and we can use the help of divination tools like tarot cards. Say for example, we can use the animal spirit tarot cards, to take a daily pull on what does the animal spirits tell us, or we can follow the guidance coming from our spirit guides as spirit messages, or you can get the help of a tarot reader to channel from spirit what does your subconscious mind talks about, and even they can pull uh, from the hidden realms of your spirit what your subconscious wants right now, or what is shown as messages from your subconscious mind from the spirit can be shown to you by doing a card pull with the help of tarot readers. Those who are clairvoyant channelers or claircognizant channelers, they will be able to show you the channeling from spirit of what is there in your subconscious mind. Suppose you have any labels associated with your past life memory, then we need to ensure that we are clearing those labels for you to move into a future life progression, because there are certain archetypes which will be saved as subconscious labels from your past life memory. So if we just do past life regression and do the past life healing by doing emotional or trauma healing associated with the past, or clearing your heart chakra or your solar plexus chakra, that does not ensure that you are removing the attachment with your subconscious labels that is saved in your past life memory. Suppose you are a student and you have an archetype of a doctor, say for example, then you need to remove that particular doctor archetype from your subconscious memory. There might be difficulties in moving forward in a direction that you want to choose associated with the subconscious label, and for that you can attach your soul essence and do a meditation to retrieve your subconscious labels, and we can help you uncover your subconscious labels and eliminate the archetypes that is saved in your subconscious memory. Say for example, suppose you want to move into a career of a teacher or a healer or a preacher, say for example, then these hidden realms can be channeled from the spirit using the help of tarot cards. So we'll do a card pull for channeling the spirit and showing you what is the subconscious labels or the subconscious messages that is saved in your uh, hidden realms first, and with the help of the card pull we'll be able to help you direct to a method by which, or a meditation by which you can attach your soul essence, and we can help you retrieve your soul from the soul essence you are attaching with the help of our gifts. And there will be gifts that you will be having from your past, and we can help you uncover your life purpose and your hidden gifts and talents from your past life. Those things will only help you complete the future life progression which you want to do, to help you move towards a future direction of yours. Because once we do this past life healing, it will not be just sufficient for you to move into a future timeline. In order to help you move into a future timeline, we need to uncover your subconscious labels with the help of cards. We'll be able to channel subconscious messages from your spirit realms and from the hidden realms, and can follow a meditation to help you attach your soul essence, and we can uncover your past life gifts or hidden talents and unlock your true purpose also along with that. It might be a little bit confusing when I say it on a single stretch, but initially you will have to get the help of a card reading to help what exactly your spirit channels you to do. And there will be hidden realms attached to your subconscious mind memory, and from the subconscious memory we can identify the subconscious labels you have attachment to from your past life, and we need to first clear all your subconscious labels, because those labels will be like a tag, like a post or a designation that is associated with your current lifetime. You will be having stubbornness or difficulty in moving towards a direction that want to be in your life, because of the subconscious labels that are saved in your past life memory. So what we'll do first is we'll try to clear out all your subconscious labels from the past life memory. There will be no more imprints saved on your subconscious memory after that. Once we clear out all the labels, we can help you uh, uncover your true gifts and your true purpose. That is the only way by which you can move forward into a future life progression and a future timeline of yours. There will be people who will be uncovering it without the need of people like us to help you clear out your labels. There are people who can do auto regression and understand from connecting to their own past life memories what exactly uh, the memories are pinpointing to, and they can easily use intuition. And like yesterday I've explained about how we can use those apps like Luminous Tarot and Animal Spirit Tarot. They are available in Play Store. You can go through that and do a daily card pull, and open to your intuition and your guidance coming from those animal spirits as card pulls. And you can listen to the spirit messages, especially after Akashic readings. We can get the guidance of spirit guides always to help us connect to a symbolic sight or synchronicities that are coming to the universe daily in front of us. I was talking about synchronicities yesterday. Synchronicities are the messages that is coming from the universe from an altered state of consciousness. It is not the normal consciousness that we live in the physical world. Synchronicities always refer to a connection to the non-material or the non-physical world. And there are people who have just followed synchronicities that is coming to them, and by observing that and following the guidance from the synchronicity message, they are able to build a excellent future for themselves. Only thing is that you need to be a little keen on understanding and interpreting what are the symbolic sites and the synchronicities that are coming to you. A symbolic site is nothing but uh, direction that the universe is showing to you from as messages from the spirit guides or from the animal spirits. Like say for example, uh, you're seeing squirrels say in the morning, then that means that you might have to work like a squirrel. It could be a message thrown from the spirit by catching hold on to whatever you have and working hard and saving for a future. That I'm just citing an example. It could be an altered state of consciousness where I'm just thinking of someone, and that person is suddenly calling me up or turning into me bumping onto me on the road. And that is something that works on the higher state of conscious, on an altered state of consciousness only. Like telepathically we are able to pass on messages to others. I have the example of a friend who had a dream about the other person going to an island in Portugal, which the other person didn't even expect that it will turn out so. And just by following the synchronicity from the dream of the other person, that friend was able to travel to Portugal and go and land in the same island that the other guy had dreamt about. Whatever that is showing up in the dreams can add up to a synchronicity or a symbol or a symbolic sight that might help you move into a future direction. So interpretation of dreams are sometimes useful for us to uh, move forward in the direction that is guided by the spirit. We can do the spirit guides meditation, or we can channel from spirit with the help of tarot cards. You yourself can do the meditation of connecting to spirit, and with the help of spirit messages, it can come in your mobile, or it can show as flashes in the TV or wherever you go, or in the newspaper. It might come as a number plate of a car. It could suddenly turn out to be a synchronicity which you might have some relevance, or it will make some sense to you. And especially synchronicity is something that it will not have any relationship with what you have been doing, and it will be two uh, distinctly separate events which has no correlation with each other. That is how it will become a number synchronicity or a universal synchronicity. Suddenly you might be seeing a flock of birds in the sky which has actually meaning related to it for people who can interpret the symbolic messages coming from it. Or there might be spirit messages coming to you as in the form of butterflies or animal spirits. Like you might be jumping into a fox in the morning, just like while I was walking inside, I just met a fox. I don't know what that I was trying to interpret what the synchronicity meant. Maybe I was acting like a fox. Maybe I should be acting like a fox today. I don't know. I mean, I am also trying to interpret that. So synchronicities are, and messages from the spirit are excellent in terms of moving to a future direction, especially when we follow the dream interpretations. When it comes to dream interpretations, there are dreams which will help you course correct your future. Like I was telling the example of a person who dreamt about having drinks and ramming into a tree, had a kind of anxiety or an intuitive call that he is going to face danger in the future. So that has helped that person to stop drinking or the addictive behavior he had. So there are certain dreams which comes to us as warnings. So we need to be attentive in deciphering those dreams that comes to us. It could be the messages from the spirit also. But the main difference in dream interpretation is, like I said yesterday, it is about feeling, sensing the feeling that has come to you on the dream, rather than focusing on what is the image you got from the dream, or the scenery that was conveyed by the dream. It could be coming from past life when we do past life regression, and simultaneously past life memories will be awakened, and those will not continuously come to you, because once you heal from the past, those dreams will fade away, and suddenly new dreams will appear to you. If your mind is subconscious is really catching into the spirit messages, then there will be definitely guidances coming as dreams also. It will help you in decision making and moving towards a better future if we interpret it properly. We do dream interpretation also for people who are interested in past life regression. They'll be facing challenges in understanding their dreams. So we are offering services of dream interpretation also, along with past life regression and healing from the past life trauma and chakra system. For those people who have childhood memories associated with them, they can do a childhood regression, and that is also been offered like as a service, like soul retrieval. I think I've explained about soul retrieval in one of the episodes earlier. Soul retrieval is a technique by which we help you collect your soul fragments or soul parts from different timelines that you have undertaken in this lifetime or previous lives, and help you integrate and form your soul essence, from which we'll do a proper fitment of the soul to what you are supposed to do in this lifetime with your soul purpose in this incarnation on the planet. Understanding soul purpose is not a small thing. It will help. It can be only done with the elimination of all past life subconscious labels, and we follow a meditation by which you can attach your soul essence, and we can help you channel from your subconscious realms by using spirit messages. With the help of tarot cards, we can channel from the spirit what is your subconscious trying to convey, and we can eliminate any subconscious labels if the spirit is showing any of those messages. Especially we need to watch out for the hidden messages, messages coming from the hidden realms. Those if we do a card pull on those messages coming from the spirit on hidden realms, we'll be able to help you with what exactly your gifts are from the past, and what exactly is your soul purpose for this lifetime. That is how we do future life progression, just like how we did past life regression. So without the help of uncovering your true gifts and your soul purpose, will not be able to provide you a soul name and help you move into a future timeline of yours. And for that we need to uncover the subconscious labels by doing a channeling using tarot cards, and will help you with uh, removing or eliminating any of the subconscious labels if you feel that you are having stubbornness or blockage to move into a direction that you choose. Okay, if you have found out that you need to be a healer, say for example, and you need to learn a specific um, healing method or an alternate healing method, from based on your past life knowledge you have, you can create the tree of life and the markaba or the flower of life, by which you can activate your gifts and help others by starting an alternate healing method. If such a track is already established in your future course of life, then that is called as future life progression. If that is established, then that is how you move into a new timeline. Because once we do the past life healing and regression, once we do the chakra correction and clearing of all your aura energy, we can do aura readings to help you find out the personality and character that you have. Because aura energy is something that is also connected to the past life imprint that you are carrying. We do facial image readings also, just like aura readings. With the help of facial image readings and aura readings, we can help you what exactly uh, it is more like a diagnosis of what exactly your past life imprint is saved as your astral body. With the help of those readings, it will help you diagnose, and after uncovering your subconscious labels, will be clear on what your life purpose, and will help you unlock your true gifts also. And with those things, you can actually start moving into a future progression. It's called a future life progression, just like we have past life regression. Once we do the future life progression by uncovering and removing your subconscious labels, and by uncovering your true purpose and past life gifts, if you have, will be able to help you streamline and course correct your future. And suppose you are getting symbolic sights from dreams and spirit guides or animal spirits, will help you interpret dreams. You are providing separate services for dream interpretation, and will help you how to decipher the messages coming from animal spirits and spirit guides once we do the Akashic readings also. So altogether will help you move into a future timeline of yours uh, by doing a future life regression, a future life progression.